Hi everyone, this is Brad. So you've started using Wakelet and maybe you haven't added the app yet. If you haven't, here's what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead in and you're going to see your collections and you can scroll through and see what they look like. Now, up top, you're also going to see your items. The items you've added the most recent will be up top. Any followers or who you're following, you can search that right up in there. But what I'm going to do is in the bottom, you're going to see the magnifying glass. This is where you can go ahead in and search for collections. You can search for people and search for items if you'd like to do that. You can also select the plus in here and create a collection right from there. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead in and I'm going to go into Twitter. Now, I'm in Richard Burns's tweet about Flipgrid now that all features are free, and I'm like, hey, I want to keep that, but I'm going to look at that later on. So I'm going to select the arrow on the right-hand side there, and I'm going to share tweet via. Now, what you'll need to do is scroll over here, and you can see Wakelet is right there. If it's not there, select the more, and then scroll down, and you're just going to want to make sure that Wakelet is selected to on. Okay, so now I'm going to select Wakelet. Give it just a little bit of time. We're going to create a new collection. I'll just call it Flipgrid for right now. All right, and we're going to select Create. Put a little space in there. No big deal. I'll come back and fix that later on. Item's been saved. So now I'm going to go ahead back into Wakelet. We'll hit the home button in the bottom left. We'll come up here. There it is. There's Flipgrid. We're going to select it here. And there's the tweet. Now, I'd like to change the picture, so I'm going to go ahead in. You can see the options that you have for your header image. I'm going to choose from Unsplash, which is right there, which you can use. I'm going to select that image, and there we go. I now have created a new collection or a new wake in Wakelet. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care.